Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Finally.
Nice to see you and thank you so much for having me.
Yes, thank you so much, Aces and Queens, for allowing
Oh,
me
our pleasure.
this opportunity to interview one of the most talked about candidates in
Oh my
MUPH
God.
this
Thank you so much for
year.
that.
Totoo, guys, ang hype. Hindi siya budol. Guys, I hope you're
It's
also given the
real.
opportunity.
It's real.
Oo, hindi siya talagang guys, she's the real deal.
Oh, thank you naman so
Yeah, how
much.
do you feel that you're getting so much love and support from the pageant community at this stage of the competition?
Yes, nakaka-overwhelm pero at the same time ang saya, super nakakataba ng puso.
Ako kasi nung unang kita ko pa lang sa'yo, nung headshot mo, even before the whole pageant starts, lakas na,
Thank you.
lumalati na. Do you get that a lot? Oo,
Lumalaban,
do you get that? Ang dahil
lumalaban.
mo kamukha, parang sabi ko nga nung pinost kita, parang sabi ko, she kinda looks like Andreina Martinez from
Mm,
Dominican Republic.
thank you,
Yeah. But
grabe.
you're pure
Yes,
Filipina.
pure. My mother is Filipina and my father is Filipino. Yes,
No.
born and raised here in the Philippines.
How old are you na?
23.
Gosh, alam mo, parang naalala ko sa kanya si Tara, newbie,
Oh,
pero
Tara Valencia from Baguio.
yeah,
Oh
nakasungkit ng
no, I really love
corona.
her.
Yeah. Tapos how tall are you?
5'10".
O, di ba? Siyongkad. Di ba?
Yes.
Perfect combination. Yeah. So, tapos, yeah, so, and what's so amazing about you pa is you graduated magna cum
Oo.
laude. Di ba? So,
Yes.
beauty and brains.
Thank you naman so
So, with
much.
everything that I've said
Mm.
about you so far, how are you dealing with it? Parang yung attention ng tao, isa ka sa mga tinututukan nila dito sa MUPH.
To be honest, there's a pressure, but I really turn this pressure into motivation.
Uh-huh.
And I will make sure na ginagawa ko yung best ko and I will just perform and be consistent.
Have you always been this perky, lively, na parang, parang you're always
I
smiling.
don't know.
It adds
I
more to
think
your
it's my
charm.
personality. Like, I always smile, even if I'm tired. I don't know.
Uh-huh. Oh, talagang maganda lang talaga yung disposition mo. Kasi di ba you got crowned way earlier?
Yes, last year, last March.
Uh-huh.
And so I've been preparing for 1 year na. It's advantage for me.
Oo. So, yeah, parang
Yes.
feeling ko nga talaga. And even your styling in your press
Oh, thank you so much.
presentation,
Yeah.
super great
It's
talaga.
10
Like,
out of 10.
whoever styling you talaga, wow.
Very classic, very unique, and elegant lang talaga yung ini-envision namin for this year.
Has it always been your dream to become a beauty queen?
Honestly, not.
Oh, really?
Yes. Ang pangarap ko lang before is nag-work sa isang fully air-conditioned room. Like having a business or marketing. Pero at the same time, nung nakitaan ako ng potential, my main goal is just to gain experience. But I try to fall in love in pageantry. So, ngayon, nasa Miss Universe Philippines na ako. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy.
This is your first ever national pageant?
Yes, my
Yes.
first national pageant.
How has it been the experience so far?
Mixed emotion, actually. Nakakakaba, pero nakaka-excite. Super, lahat ng first time is nandito.
What has been your favorite moment so far?
So far is the contract signing.
Uh-huh.
Grabe yung
Ang lakas ng
support
dating mo,
ng
no?
tao, nakakataba ng puso. Like, mas lalo akong naging eager and mas lalo akong na-motivate.
Oh, ang lakas ng aura mo talaga
Thank you
nun.
so
Yan, talagang
much.
you really, binibini kan lahi, really employed a great set of styling team for you
Oh,
talaga.
thank you.
Kasi talaga, for a newbie, should I consider you a newbie? Yeah.
Yes, newbie.
Nakikipag,
Fresh.
nakikipagbardagulan ka talaga sa mga
Wow.
pageant veterans.
Grabe. Maraming salamat po.
Is that a testament to you?
I think it's more on harvesting sa lahat ng mga training na pinagdaanan ko within the year.
Uh-huh. What has been the most challenging part of your journey so far?
For
Or
me,
even
it's
before MUPH?
For me, the dieting part, maintaining my weight. I really love food.
Oo, pero it doesn't show in your body. Were you athletic?
Yes, I'm a volleyball player.
Oh,
During my high school.
oh.
Yes.
So spike for the crown.
Yes, let's do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. What have you learned about yourself in Miss Universe Philippines so far? What have you learned about yourself in relation to your candidacy here in Miss Universe
Mm,
Philippines so
there's
far?
so much by and by nadidiscover ko lalo yung sarili ko. And one thing na nadiscover ko is super independent ko talaga. Because here, without any support or without the presence of my parents, my family, pero ito, lumalaban.
When you say independent, adulting, like,
Yes, adulting, making decisions on myself when it comes to this pageant. Grabe.
so ano yung
Super
mga
dami.
decisions na yun? Like, parang sige nga, like, na epic pass ba or fail dun sa mga so far na,
So far naman, more on positive naman yung mga decisions na nagagawa and mga experience.
oo.
Super lucky.
Are you living alone here in Manila
Not
for the
naman.
pageant?
Not
Oo.
naman. I'm with my road manager. I'm so lucky that meron akong support system.
That's nice.
Yes.
That's nice. So, with all the attention that you have right now, what do you hope to achieve with your candidacy here in MUP?
I really hope to represent Philippines in the international stage.
Oo.
And my main goal talaga is to really stay my mother here in the Philippines since isa siyang OFW.
Oh,
Yes.
where is she working abroad?
Now sa Korea.
Oh.
Yes.
So it's your goal for her to
Mm.
for her,
To
for you to bring
retire.
her
Yes,
back
and stay here
here.
na. Mm-mm.
Uh-huh. Ang hirap no, no, ano, no. How do you, are you the eldest in the family?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
I'm the yes eldest.
Uh-huh. So parang, so are you, should I also ask, are you also the breadwinner of the family? I assume.
Not that naman kasi my mother and father have their own job naman. Pero I'm trying to provide for them na. Kasi natutunan ko by and by, it's all about giving back to your parents then and to your siblings then.
How are you managing your time between your, you know, between fulfilling your dream as a Miss Universe Philippines
Mm.
candidate and your responsibilities as the breadwinner of your family?
I'm not that a breadwinner naman, pero I'll make sure na I have balanced time for my training sa Miss Universe and also I have a family time with my parents.
So, speaking of trainings,
Oh, yes.
paano yun? Na-discover ka ba ng ACES? Or,
I enrolled in ACES, my
ah,
manager, with the help of my manager.
uh-huh.
Yes.
Why did you choose ACES as your,
Siyempre, Aces and Queens produced Caliber Queens. Yes. And
oo,
I believe sila ang magiging dahilan na mas prepared ako and
oo.
ready for my first national pageant.
Nakakatuwa.
Yes.
What has been the most important lesson that they have taught you so far in relation to
Like,
your pageant journey here?
confront your fears. Yes, kasi to be honest, one of my weakness is my Ilocano accent since I came from province. But by and by, I'm trying to learn it, improve it, and strengthen my communication skills with the help of ACES talaga.
Pag sinabi mong Ilocano, is it because of the accent?
Yes, it's like when I say a word, it's very hard, it's very deep, and
Uh-huh.
it's not the right pronunciation. But I'm trying to learn and improve that.
Oo, oo. Talagang there's a conscious effort for you to
Yes,
really,
yes. It's really hard since ayun yung nakasanayan for
uh-huh.
the way of saying that word. Pero by and by, super grateful kasi malaking tulong yung Aces and Queens in all aspect talaga.
In terms of uh, your growth,
Mm.
um, ano yung, ano, paano, ano yung na-assess mo so far? Na, na paano mo nadi-deal lahat itong nangyayari sa'yo?
I think with the help of God talaga. Kasi every morning, I do listen to hill songs, worship songs. I have this playlist on Spotify. Every morning, I start the day with listening to different music. It stays me grounded. It stays me know my purpose and my goal. And that motivates me to keep going until this very long journey of Miss Universe.
So which now leads me to my next question.
Okay.
What is your purpose here in Miss Universe Philippines?
My main purpose is to really advocate for my cause, which is empowering business. Also, my main goal is to really help my mother came back here in the Philippines forever
Mhm.
for her to retire and to best represent Philippines in international stage. I have this so much purpose and so much things in my mind.
Sige, let's yeah, oo. Ano yung mga ideas
Ang
mo?
dami, grabe.
Like ano pa yung mga kunya you want to bring your mom back home?
Mm.
Anong gusto mong business venture na
I'm very open naman kahit ano, pero I would love to have a clothing business because I
Mhm.
really love fashion. I really love wearing elegant clothes, black and white, like that.
Nakikita ko nga. Ngayon
Yes.
naka-black ka, nung contract signing naka-white ka, 'di
Yes.
ba?
I don't know. It's really
So
present my personality.
that's the reason why you took up business administration.
Yes.
Yeah, because you want to have your own
Yes.
you want to put
Also,
up your own business
there's
someday.
a one moment when I had this experience. I helped my grandparents in our sari-sari store. I know how to make sukle, to know problem-solving skills. This leads me to pursue business course. And now, I'm a marketing graduate.
Speaking of marketing, now that you mentioned it, sige nga, apply mo yung pinag-aralan mo sa marketing dito sa MUPH.
Wow!
What do you think is your unique selling proposition or USP?
I'm a beauty queen with strategy.
Talagang bilis sumagot.
Yes, of course.
Anong strategy, if you don't mind?
I really know how to build community. I know how to innovate ways. I'm creative.
Talaga?
Yes, you see that? Creativity.
Oo. So ikaw ang kunyari itong damit na to, how much input did you have with your styling here?
I'm the best design of my outfit.
You designed.
No, I mean, it's elegant, it's very plain, and I'm the best design of
Ah,
my outfit.
so you carry
Yes, I carry
it very, very
very, very
well.
well.
Grabe.
Thank
Grabe.
you.
Alam mo, your charm
Oh,
talaga
thank you naman so
and
much.
sweet personality are really getting you through the whole competition as early as now. Grabe, no? Tapos you're forever smiling. You know,
Yeah.
keep that,
Yes.
nurture that or keep that
Thank you. Yes, I will.
characteristic or mannerism kasi talagang it really, lights up the whole room.
Yes.
Especially kapag nasa stage ka pa lalo, 'di ba? Filipinos love to
This is my
smile.
best asset.
Yeah.
Smile.
So I wonder, kapag galit ka or parang something ticks you off,
I
paano
don't
ka
know
kaya
kung hindi sila
mainis?
maniniwala.
Oo, nakasmile ka pa din.
Yes, yes. I think
Yeah.
hindi sila maniniwala. Are you joking? Are you mad? Or
Oo.
are you just smiling again and again? I think hindi sila maniniwala.
Really.
Yes.
Pero what has been the most difficult, most challenging ordeal that you've gone through in life?
I think it's all about whenever there's a celebration, I don't have my parents with me. And my really main goal talaga is to be with them when it comes to receiving my awards in schools, also attending celebrations, my birthday, my graduation. That's my biggest challenge. That's why I really want to bring back my mother here in the Philippines.
Alam mo, as early as now, sasabihin ko to sa'yo, pagpapalain ka ng Diyos.
Oh, thank you so
Kung
much.
kung gaano mo
Do that.
kung gaano mo binibigyan ng pagpapahalaga ang magulang mo. You're giving everything back to them.
Mm.
If we're supposed to bring all our glory to God, and you're doing it by honoring your parents. Ibe-bless ka
I
ni
get so
God.
emotional.
Oo.
You're so comprehensive when it comes to saying compliments.
Hindi kasi alam mo, you have never failed to insert how much you want to bring your
Yes, that's
mom
really
back
my
here
main goal.
to put her in retirement so that she won't have to work that hard so much to
Yes.
to send you to all to give you everything that you all her children want in life. And now, talagang at such a young age, 23,
Yes.
you're taking it upon yourself talaga
Mm.
to, yeah. So, mabuhay yung mga katulad mo.
Yes. Salute to
You
all the
really,
OFW mothers and fathers.
your parents really raised you well.
I'm so emotional. I
Oh
miss my
no.
mother.
For sure, if she's physically with us right now, for sure she would be so, so proud of you. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for that.
Don't worry, your camp from Aces and Queens naman who is your second family here. And
Yes.
yeah, I'm so sorry I'm making you cry, but yeah. But thank you so, so much
Thank you so much.
for allowing me to,
You know
get to
me
know
well
you
na.
deeper.
I'm not a mysterious person na. I get to have this branding that is mysterious. Let them know me like that. But
Oo nga eh,
finally!
para ngayon, thank you for taking that, for letting your guard down in order for me to get to know
Such
you
an
better.
honor.
Hindi lang ako, pati na yung mga viewers nyo. Thank you so, so much
Thank
again.
you!
Thank you so, so much everyone from Aces and Queens for allowing me to do this interview.